2 pens and 5 pencils cost €12. 3 pens and 2 pencils cost €11.40. Find the cost of a single pen and a single pencil. So we're going to let X be the cost of the pen and Y be the cost of the pencil. So 2 pens and 5 pencils cost €12. So we're going to have 2X plus 5Y equals 12, because the X stands for the cost of the pen and the Y stands for the cost of the pencil. So 2 pens is going to be 2X, 5 pencils is going to be 5Y, and the cost is €12, so equal to 12. Then 3 pens and 2 pencils cost €11.40. So we have 3X plus 2Y equals 11.4. So again, the X is the cost of the pen, so 3 pens is 3X. The Y is the cost of the pencil, so 2 pencils is 2Y. And add them together and it equals to €11.40, so equals 11.4. So now we have two equations. We have 2X plus 5Y equals 12 and 3X plus 2Y equals 11.4, and we're going to solve them simultaneously. So at the moment we have 2X and 3X and 5Y and 2Y. So we want either the X's to match up or the Y's to match up, so that we can cancel them out. So what we want is to have the same coefficient of X or the same coefficient of Y, but one to be a positive and one to be a minus. So what we're going to do is get the X's to match up. So we're going to have to multiply the 2 by the coefficient of the X in the other equation, which is 3. So that'll end up giving us 6. And then we're going to multiply the 3 by the coefficient of X in the first equation, which is a 2, but we're going to make it a negative. So we're going to end up with minus 6. And that way our X's will cancel out. So for multiplying the 2X by 3, we have to multiply the entire equation by 3. So 2X by 3 is 6X, 5Y by 3 is 15Y, and 12 by 3 is 36. So 6x plus 15y equals 36. We got this because we multiplied this entire equation by 3. So then 3x multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6x. 2y multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4y. And 11.4 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 22.8. So we got minus 6x minus 4 equals minus 22.8. And we got this because we multiplied this entire equation by minus 2. So now our x's have the same coefficient in front, and one is a positive and one is a negative, so they cancel out. The x's cancel, which is what we want. So now we have 15y minus 4y is 11y, and 36 minus 22.8 is 13.2. Then to get the y on its own, we're going to do 13.2 divided by 11. It's going to be 1.2. So y is equal to 1.2. And now to find x, we're going to substitute the y into one of the original equations. I'm going to go with the top one here. So 2x plus 5y equals 12. We're going to swap that y for 1.2 with brackets around it. So get 2x plus 5 multiplied by 1.2 equals 12. So 5 by 1.2 gives us 6, and 12 minus 6 gives us 6. So get 2x equals 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So x is equal to 3. So at the start we said that x was going to be the cost of the pen. So if x is equal to 3, then one pen costs €3. And we also said that y was the cost of the pencil. So if y equals 1.2, then one pencil costs €1.20.